Hi there, hope all of you are doing well. Another sunny day. We're gonna make fish chops, cod fish cutlets. So let me show you what we need for this. So 350 grams of potato boiled, 350 grams of codfish boiled. These were frozen, I just boiled them for 5 to 8 minutes. Then we have the spices, which is coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, a teaspoon of chili powder. This you can use whatever chili powder you have, and to your taste reduce it if you don't like it too spicy, or put in green chilies chopped up. I usually put in a couple. I don't have that today, so I'm using chili powder. Cumin powder, I'm going to be putting in about 2 spice spoons, which is about approximately 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a couple of tablespoons of coriander leaves. So in a hot pan, a tablespoon of oil goes in, and then we put the onions and ginger garlic. So medium size onion is what I have chopped up here. I always have this ready at home, so it's quick to make up any curries or any cutlets, etc. Onion, ginger, garlic going in all together. Let it brown, and then we put the spices in. And then put in salt to taste. I'm going to put the masalas in at the same time. I hope you can see it. It is cooking up nicely. So all of those masalas, but not the coriander leaves. Now we've got a food processor here, into which we're going to put in all our ingredients. So quickly the potatoes go in and the fish goes in. Not as quick as I'd like it. And then the onion, ginger, garlic paste with all the masalas, and of course the coriander leaves. And if you have fresh green chilies, that's what you really should be putting in. Unfortunately, I don't have it today, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to give it a plate. So we've got the egg beaten, the breadcrumbs. I'm just taking this. You can make it to whatever size you want. This is about 2 inches, I think. So just dip it in egg. I'm not going to record several of them, don't want to bore you with it, but I'll do 1 or 2. Then we're just going to put it in the air fryer and show you the final product. So here's what it looks like. And here we have it. The fish cutlets are made. We're just going to turn on the air fryer 200 and put it in for approximately 10 minutes altogether from the time I've turned on the thing. I'm just going to put them in, and then we'll come back and you can see how they look. Healthy fish cutlets and delicious. See you in 10. And after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. Perfect.